currently a mailroom foreman. What brought me in here was a friend of the family. He heard that I was talking about going out and seeking different employment. Working here at Waupaca, I have learned that it's not only what we make, but what we are. We're pretty close-knit here. When you have the ability to talk to your supervisors and talk to HR, and when you can do that and not be filtered, it makes it feel more personal. We communicate within the company. If I'm working with a new hire or someone who's been here 15 years, I try to let them know that we can talk at a personal level. If we can fix it, let's fix it. If you want to talk, let's talk. So we really have got the ability to be hands-on, one-on-one inside the facility. They definitely care. I know saying like a family is kind of cliche, but 6 years ago, we lost a child. And the way this place pulled together, it was amazing. I mean, when the CEO sends you a personal handwritten letter, if I wasn't already bought in, I was then. This place belongs in this community. When you're talking about a working class community, you're talking about a truly honest, down-to-earth community. This is who we are and this is what we do. If you're looking for something along those same guidelines, check here. This may be what you're looking for.